So today we are going to be solving this leet code problem called valid anagram. So what do we mean by anagram? An anagram is a word or a phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all original letters exactly once. So here is an example. So the input given are S and T. So S equals anagram, A-N-A-G-R-A-M, and T equals nagaram, so N-A-G-A-R-A-M. So these words are exactly the same words which are present in this word, so that's why the output is true. In the second example, we can see S equals rat and T equals car. A and R are repeated in T, but C is a whole new word which is not present inside yes, so that's the reason why the output is false. So they are asking us to write a code for it to check whether two words are valid anagram or not. So let us start. So we are going to be using hash map approach. So first I'm going to initialize two hash maps for S and T words. So S map comma T map, so both are going to be initialized with empty hash map. So now I'm going to take a for loop to count the number of alphabets which are present inside both S and T. So for character in S, okay, if this character if it is in S map, then we need to increment the count of that particular alphabet. So S map of C plus equals 1. If it is not present inside S, then we need to initialize it with 1. So S map of C equals 1. So I'm going to do the same thing for T as well. For character in T, okay, if this character in T map, I'm going to increment the count of that specific alphabet. So T map of 1, so T map of C equals 1. Okay, now that we have the count of these characters present inside both of these string, let us check the length of these two hash maps. If length of S map is not equal to length of T map, then we know that either of these words contain an extra character. Okay, so we will immediately return false. Okay, else we need to do some computation. So for K1 comma V1 in S map, okay, so S map dot items, okay, so K1 for key and V1 for the value. If K1 in T map and V1 equals T map of K1, so what is this line saying? So if this particular key is present in this T map, okay, and the value, this value is if that specific character's value is same as the value of this K1 which is inside of this T map variable, then we know that it's all going good. Then we just need to continue. Okay, else we will immediately return false. Okay, so return false if everything checks out, and once we exit out of this for loop, then we know that these two S and T words are valid anagrams. So we'll simply return true. Okay, so this is the code. Now let me explain you this once again. So first, initially we are going to be initializing two hash maps for these two particular words. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to calculate the count of the specific character which is present inside S. So for a character in S, if that character is present in S map, then we are incrementing the count of that character, else we are initializing it with 1. And I'm doing the same thing for the character which is present inside T. Okay, so if this character in T map, so there is a typo, T map, okay, then T map of that specific character we are going to be incrementing +1, else we are initializing it with 1. Okay, now we are checking the length of both of these hash maps. If the length of both of these hash maps is different, then we know that they are not valid anagrams, so we are immediately returning false. Else we are doing we are checking whether it has same number of characters, and the value is also, the count value is also same. Okay, so for key and value in smap.items, so if this key which is present in smap, we are checking whether that key is also present in tmap. Okay, so if this is true, then and also we are checking another condition, so the value of that specific key is also similar to the value of tmap of that specific character, then we won't do anything, we'll just continue. Else we will, if this condition does not satisfy, then we will immediately return false, because as you can see the value is different and the character might have been also different, so we are immediately returning false. If we come out of this for loop, then we know that the both of these S and T words are certainly valid anagrams, so we are returning true. Now let us run this code and let's see whether it is working or not. So here we can see we got the output true, and now let us try to submit it. And here we can see it took 63 milliseconds and the solution has been accepted. All right, I hope you guys understood this code, and yeah, hopefully I'll be uploading more leetcode problems, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, take care and be safe, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.